If you've checked job listings recently, you probably noticed something strange. Half the postings want years of experience in a language that's barely a decade old, and the rest are still desperate for Python devs. Meanwhile, your group chat is full of people arguing about whether you even need to learn to code anymore now that AI writes most of the code. So which language do you actually learn? I'm an IT professor, and today I'm giving you the 5 languages that actually matter in 2026. Let's start with the obvious one, Python. In 2026, just knowing Python doesn't set you apart anymore. What's changed is what it's attached to. Every AI agent framework, every LLM pipeline, every automation script is Python. If you're touching machine learning or AI, Python is the glue. Next up is Go. If you've ever typed Docker build or deployed to Kubernetes, you've relied on Go. It's the most requested backend language out there. It's not flashy, but recruiters love it. Rust is the one that scares people off. The learning curve is real. The borrow checker will make you question your life choices for the first few weeks. But Rust gives you memory safety and raw performance without a garbage collector. Companies are paying for it. Rust is consistently one of the highest paid languages. Then there's Zig. Think of it as someone looking at C and saying, what if we fixed all of this without Rust's complexity? No hidden control flow, no sneaky memory allocations. The Bun JavaScript runtime is built on it. Java is still running a massive chunk of the world's banking, insurance, and enterprise systems. The kind of stuff that doesn't get ripped out overnight. On the modern side, Kotlin is now the default for Android development and lets you share code across mobile, web, and backend from one codebase. Boring on the surface, extremely stable underneath, and stability pays the bills. So that's the list: Python, Go, Rust, Zig, and Java with Kotlin. 5 languages worth your time in 2026.